2015 Chevy Camaro convertible, 6.2 liter SS, really beautiful red color, nice car. Got factory converters. It's a California car, so it's got 4 converters on it, 2 on each side, there and there. Then he left the resonator on it. He didn't want it to drone too much because it's a convertible. He said if it's still too quiet after this, he'll bring it back and we'll take the resonator off. These come with a massive resonator, as you guys can see right there. Then it's got 2 baffles, there and there, that open up when you give it enough gas, when you open up the throttle. And then what we put on it is 2 FLOWMASTER Outlaws, one there, one there. Part number, the 16-inch ones, part number 15430. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then also, we put 5-inch black tips on it for you guys. Right there and right there. We'll have a link in the description for them. They're double-walled stainless steel. Really beautiful, really clean. They fit that gap nicely. It's a lot nicer than the small 4-inch they put before. Or actually like 3.5. There's the rears that we took off. There it is after. Looks so much cleaner, so much nicer. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. There it is, FLOWMASTER Outlaws. Check out the resonator on it too. Yeah, nice. That sounds so good. See, if you want the tone without a lot of raspiness, you keep the resonator on. Your sound decibels. Again. There it is. What do you guys think? Nice deep tone. Not too loud, just deep and throaty. I like it. It's deep. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Camaro, 6.2 liter.